Hello, Topshine Technology. Several ways to remote control our RF touch switch. First, use this handheld remote to remote control the switch. Secondly, we can use this DC-powered switch touch panel to remote control the switch. Thirdly, we can use the SYN switch to work as a sleeve switch to control the master switch, but the SYN switch is wirelessly with the master switch and wirelessly with the lamps. Finally, we can configure the gateway with our RF touch switch to remote control by mobile app.
Just use one button to turn on and turn off, like this. And we can also use two buttons to turn on the switch by one button and turn off by another.
The brightness of the LED backlight indicator of our remote touch switch is adjustable. Now let me show you how to operate it. You only need to press this button and you can easily see the difference between the strong brightness and weak brightness or the LED backlight, right? That's all. Thank you.